This heavy-duty Dewalt 6 inches bench grinder is ideal for all grinding operations, including sharpening tools, deburring, rust removal, shaping parts, and cleaning objects. It's powered by a 5/8 horsepower induction motor that runs at 3,450 RPM for easy and reliable high-speed material removal. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The powerful 5/8 HP induction motor of the bench grinder is made for heavy-duty grinding operations. Number 2. The industrial cast iron base and motor housing of the 6 inches bench grinder provide durability and prolonged life. Number 3. Table grinder motor runs at 3,450 revolutions per minute for high-speed material removal. Number 4. Precision machined aluminum tool rests allow the user to accurately position work. Number 5. Rear exhaust ports and wheel guards for smoother operation. Number 6. 12.05 inches distance between wheels for longer and larger grinding applications. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.